Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we will learn how to write a very simple program that demonstrate two basic statements in Python programming language, the use of for statement, a looping statement, and then the use of if-else statement in Python. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. So we have here a for statement. So we have a variable of a and then we will put a range. So we want to display a series of numbers to check from 1 to 10. So we're starting with the initial value of 1 and then we end with 11. Why we put 11 instead of 10? The reason behind that, because if we put 10, it will display from 1 up to 9. So we have to include 11 so that we can have an excess number. Now, so colon if a modulus of 2, meaning if there is a remainder of 2, modulus operator equals 0, meaning this is no remainder, print str, because it is string plus, it will display. If it is true, is even number, else if it is false, there is a remainder, so it is odd number. So str, we have here create new string object from the given object. Okay, so let us run our code to check for the output. If there is some errors, right click the file test.py, click run code in our Visual Studio Code. So we have here the output. 1 is odd, 2 is even, 3 is odd, 4 is even, 5 is odd number, 6 is even number, 7 is odd number, 8 is even number, 9 is odd number, and lastly 10 is an even number. That's it. That's very simple and very straightforward in Python programming language. Okay guys, so this is the end of my tutorial video about adding even number using if statement in Python programming language. Thank you so much for listening and watching my videos. If you have some questions or comments, can you leave in the comment section of this video. So Merry Christmas again, Happy New Year this 2024. I hope that you have a very good holiday ahead of you. Keep safe everyone. Please subscribe if you are new with my channel, and then please like. See you in the next video. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.